Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn on a passkey on PayPal account. If you want to add an extra layer of security to your PayPal account, then using a passkey ensures that even if someone gets your password, they cannot access your PayPal account without the passkey. So let's get it set up. First of all, launch open the PayPal application on your device. After you're logged into the account, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top right corner from the home screen. This will now take you to your profile. From your profile section, tap on the Settings button. Under Settings, tap on Login and Security. On the next page, tap on the Passkey option. Now click on the Continue button to set up your passkey. You can now use your Face ID or Touch ID to enable the passkey. Go ahead and do that, and you will then be able to create or add a passkey on your PayPal account. Now, if you sign out of your PayPal account or simply force close the app and reopen it again, you'll be asked to sign in using your Face ID or biometrics. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to access your PayPal account even without a password in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.